Welcome to DFix, your go-to channel for mastering Excel and leveraging ChatGPT to simplify complex tasks. Whether you're a professional or a student, we've got practical solutions just for you. Let's make data work smarter. We are working with a large dataset containing over 50,000 products. Our task is to assign manufacturing dates and expiry months to the corresponding product categories based on a category table in another sheet. The category table includes columns such as category, manufacturing dates, and expiry months. Completing this task manually is far from simple. It's a tedious and time-consuming process. Let's tackle this challenge efficiently using the VLOOKUP method to automate the process. We have a simple alternative to the VLOOKUP solution. Let's explore how ChatGPT can assist in constructing an easier method to manage this extensive data. First, we'll review the VLOOKUP solution and then see how ChatGPT simplifies the process. Start by clicking on the cell where you want the result. Type equals to begin the formula. Then type VLOOKUP to start the function. Specify the lookup values such as C2, followed by a comma. Next, enter the table array where the data is stored, for example sheet 2 AB, and type another comma. After that, input the column index number from which you want to retrieve data, such as 2, and type another comma. Finally, add false to ensure an exact match and close the parentheses. Press enter and the formula will be applied. The complete formula will look like this. Now, let's assign the expiry months to this vast inventory dataset, just as we did for the manufacturing dates, paving the way to calculate the expiry date for each item effortlessly. Now that we have set the formulas for manufacturing dates and expiry months, let's calculate the expiry dates. Place the cursor in the first cell under the expiry column, press the equal sign equals, type EDATE, and open a parenthesis. Click on cell D2, add a comma, then click on cell E2 and close the parentheses. Press enter to display the expiry date. Now, let's calculate the formula for the remaining shelf life days column. It's very simple. Place the cursor in the first cell under the remaining shelf life days column, press the equal sign, equals, click on cell F2, type a minus sign, minus, then type today within parentheses. Press enter to display the remaining days until expiry. Now let us drag or copy the formula down the column. Let's explore how ChatGPT can assist in constructing an easier method to manage this extensive data. Step 1. Gather your required information. Step 2. Paste it into ChatGPT. The required formulas are displayed instantly. Step 3. Copy these formulas. Step 4. Paste them into the respective cells of the Excel table. Step 5. Drag the formula down. Now, everything is perfectly set. Simply amazing. Now we can use this organized data to generate various reports. For example, we can create a pivot table to identify products expiring in specific months or within a particular month. Thank you for watching. With tools like Excel and ChatGPT, managing and analyzing data has never been easier. Stay tuned for more tutorials that simplify complex tasks and boost your productivity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to DFix for practical solutions tailored for professionals and students. See you in the next video. Let's keep exploring the endless possibilities together.